If I upload now, if someone watch, then they can upload something.
You
You
are
know.
actually,
You will
yeah.
be kicked out
As I
if
said,
you shooting
the
that.
village is just too far than just city because the nature. I like most nature, and in my village, the beauty of nature is too good.
Okay, so now I'm gonna just toss around one question, and then I like to just have you from just both you.
Yeah.
First is what do you wanna say about like health in village? I mean in urban and rural.
So as per the data, I can clearly say that urban people live longer and live good life and live happy life. Whereas in urban area, all the people are unsatisfied. They want to earn more. They want to have a good life, live good living standard, and they only chase. They have the mental illness. They have a physical illness. So all sort of problem. Even though they have all the facilities, but still they are not satisfied. They have the physical ailment, all sort of disease and all. But whereas in rural area, people are more satisfied, happy with the limited resources.
Yeah, because he's right, and just I meet my grandmother. He just crossed the
I met
120.
my I met my.
I met my grandmother. He crossed the 120.
Oh,
Okay.
120.
120.
My
Okay,
heart
bro.
has skipped a beat. 120.
Actually,
It's
you know
a
when
Unbelievable,
I'm
bro.
it's a hot day in July.
actually everyone my every friend knows because in when I last time went in my village, I just talk with my grandmother on the video call, and really he just look when you see him, really he is a healthy, and he just live a normal life. He don't have any just technology resource, just
Okay,
smartphone,
so
these whole things.
Pawan, does he eat any junk food and anything?
No. He just only just normal
This
and just
if she is 120. If
normal.
she just had
He
if
don't
she,
have teeth first of all.
oh. Okay. So do you want to
She,
do you pray to just God? Please God just take just her from you.
why? Because did you know he just whenever I went met
Go
to
there.
my grandmother,
Meet.
grandmother,
Yeah.
and he said, he just
She said.
recalled
She,
me.
she says.
She just recalled me the my when
She narrate her story.
yeah, he
Oh,
narrates
that's
her
great.
story when I am just younger.
When
Yeah, when I am like you, and just I go there, and the beach is here. Means
beach.
beach means
Okay.
Medan.
Yeah,
Really?
ground.
Field, bro,
Actually, I would.
beach in village. Beach for beach you have to go in
खाली स्थान
Goa.
मतलब वही खाली सी जगह वो बीच में नहीं सकते.
Okay, so
And
now I have a
yeah,
question.
these all thing actually I like to listen him really.
Okay,
So
toss.
I have a question like all the rich people, all the celebrity and actors usually in their free time and they want to hang out at their farmhouse. They want to spend time with the nature and all that. So why do we really need to chase materialist things like car, money and all? After all, we chase the happiness in jungle and the forest.
Nilesh, as I'm concerned about materialistic thing,
Hmm.
so this scenario is materialistic scenario.
Yeah.
We can't keep away ourselves from those all stuff. Actually, these all things make our life easy and comfort.
Hmm.
If I talk about village, like I mean rural area, so actually in medical sector and health facility is literally vast. If you need even just basic treatment, first aid, you will have to go up to 40 kilometers.
Hmm.
But in city, you will find just next to next street and just under 20 and just 30 meters, you can easily find. So now you ask like materialistic things, car and these all things. Yeah, actually, if you want to enhance your living standard, literally we need car and just like farmhouse where you can play with your family and where you can live a peaceful life.
So, love, don't you think body meant for movement? Even urban people are obese. They have the mental illness, even physical illness. They are unable to walk and run. They don't have the stamina to walk for in a 30 minutes, 30 and 40 minutes. Whereas all the benefit, I mean, people getting in the rural areas. So, don't you think like this technology also give us disease, mental illness, and all?
No, actually, uh, that technology, I mean, just like camera and just fan and light, were invented to make our life easy and to give us comfort.
Hmm.
So actually, this all technology was not invented to harm us,
Hmm.
but being a human being, we are using in a wrong way. That's why we are being harmed by technology, like AI, camera, smartphone, television, all these gadgets were invented to give us knowledge to make our life comfort, but due to lack of awareness, so we are using regardless of positive things in negative way.
Yeah. I have a question for you. Mukesh Ambani once said like to use the AI is good, but you
Yeah.
should use your own mind because we created the AI. So what's your opinion about like all the rich people and all the multimillionaire, all those people usually use their own mind, but we are using AI. So what's your opinion about this?
Actually, they will succeed in their life. That's why they are just giving us the means you should do this, you should do this. I think that's better for them. But those are starting a new just journey. For them, AI is just really useful because they are succeed. If they just lose
If they
something,
have
if
succeeded.
they have succeeded, means if they lose something, so it doesn't matter. It just nothing gonna happen with them. But if we lose something, so it just really,
Get those.
yeah, really. That's why we should use
Got,
AI.
we got
So
it,
love,
we
love.
got
My
it.
question is to you. As I mean, my question is to you. I mean, those people they are already rich, so they are not using the AI. We are using the AI. Even though I think in my perspective, we don't use the AI because we are in thriving state. We have to succeed. So, what's your opinion about the Pawan said
As
that
I'm concerned
Pawan said?
about
Hmm,
Pawan words,
yeah.
actually those people they have succeeded in their life. So actually in their surrounding there are many just like well-educated people.
Hmm.
So they can give just Mukesh Ambani and Adani. I mean they can give them advice.
Hmm.
So that's why they don't need to use AI. Actually there are many just well-educated person to use AI for Ambani and Adani.
Hmm.
So being a common people, we should use AI in a positive way. Like if I'm gonna just start my business, so I will not take just advice from AI. Which business should I start? I will take idea regarding advertisement. Okay, I will take idea like regarding just
How to build
no survey. I would like to just have a survey like age group of 18. How many people reside in India and which state is lagging behind from this product?
which
We use in a positive context, literally it will help our business to just grow.
So, love, don't you think it's total like creativity, innovation? Like, I have one friend, Nitin. He uses AI and he doesn't depend on the his own opinion, own mind. He never depend and he always depend on AI. So, don't you think that after 5 years later he will lose his mind?
No, actually he will not, he will never lose his mind. But
Lose mindset. I mean, lose
yeah, I
mind.
got it.
Yeah, yeah. In the sense
But
like he less his creativity and innovation and all.
yeah, but his life will be like a dump yard.
Hmm.
There wouldn't be like any creative and just like a critical thinking, decision making. He will bank on AI to take any decision. Like just I have to just choose. I have two options. Which option I should choose? He will ask from AI. So totally, we should not just bank on AI. We should ask question, but regarding our development and progress, not just every question we should ask. Yeah, should I go in park? Yeah, should I just join institute? No.
what do you think? After 5 years, your friend Nitin, he will just gonna just do the business from their own side. He just make the employee, and why they need of just use their mind. He just enjoying their money. Yeah, really.
I don't see.
I don't see. I don't
If
see
I
that.
have money,
I
I
just-
will
Bro,
enjoy my
actually, it's a
yesterday
kidding.
guys,
It's a kidding.
yesterday I listened the interview of Donald Trump. You can't believe that he's not idiot, bro. He's highly intelligent. He said that if you don't chase for your dream now, then there are many people who will let you to chase his dream. Can you imagine? Like, suppose if I don't chase my dream, and if you are chasing your dream, then you will, let me in your work to chase your dream.
Bro, actually, as I'm concerned about Donald Trump,
Hmm.
so he is a brainy person.
Yeah, bro.
Even he is businessman as well as president of US. You know, he was born in a like poor class family. He
Bro,
struggled.
I mean, do they really poor? All the businessmen, all the rich people, they usually say, "I belong to poor family." Do they really? Adani said that I belong to poor family.
We should actually we shouldn't not dive into their reality.
Yeah.
We should learn from just like their glance.
I want to ask one question. Suppose that in future you're gonna be the millionaire. So what do you think? After your interview, you said I am a just poor guy in my just childhood. So what do you think? Like your just your question. So what people they are also thinking? Do you really think Nish is in this past time he is just also poor?
No, actually,
It's a just mindset
no,
of
actually,
people.
I will
which
make you
can't
famous
just-
in the
yeah.
future. I will make you famous. Like I did some podcast with my friend Pawan, and these people helped me a
Oh,
lot.
no, I'm not gonna ask the
He
question.
didn't- On that time, he didn't deserve, but still we invited him. Yeah,
Yeah,
this is your
And thank you so much.
Okay.
And now just come to the ground.
Yeah.
Actually,
Come
this
to-
conversation is going to be very hotty.
Yeah. And like this, when I used to go, when I used to let's go to my village, so I planted more than 50 trees.
53.
Okay, and in summer vacation, usually I go to just my village to spend time in garden, and just like it's a you will get different vibe in summer season.
So,
in village.
did you plan for profit? I mean, profit motive, or it? I mean, it was your own choice.
Literally just
Like you heard about the symmetry?
symmetry. Yeah,
Not symmetry, symmetry.
symmetry. Yeah, I heard about it. Even I planted more than 5.
Like the price of 50,000 rupees, 40,000 once it grow fully. So, is it for profit motive?
Profit actually no. If whether you just plant the tree profit or just not profit, but still you will get something. So I planted more than 50 tree, and now even there is one garden. Is that garden was all tree was rooted by me.
Okay.
And whenever I go in my village, really, I love to spend time there. So our Biharis, I mean, the delights they go to spend time in Simla, Manali, Kullu. But Bihari na,
Yeah.
actually their village is the Manali, Kullu, and just like Nainital for them. What do you wanna say about it?
Okay, so literally,
They love to.
actually Manali, Kullu, and this is also kind of village for them. To all who are the native person of village, I mean Simla and Kullu. But we are the people. They go there and we just feel like it's a destination of heaven and all. Like for them, it's a normal. For the Uttarakhand, all the mountains for Uttarakhand people, it's very normal. They see as a village. So
Even they are fed up with this
yeah.
stuff.
But for us, it's new. Even though if I go to any Punjab, if I go in Punjab state, I will see, oh my God, there is greenery, there is a field. Because it's new for me. And if Punjabis goes to the village, then they will find that it's new for them.
Actually, last time the question is
But it's not in the
regarding to
metropolitan city, it can't be possible, like Kolkata, Mumbai, and Delhi. All the people, there is no greenery.
They live in a stuffy environment.
Stuff involved.
What do you wanna end up?
today I just read. Yesterday I just scrolling the reel and I was scrolling the reel. I got it just from China. Actually, there is a
How do you put this is called the reel from Chinese?
actually I got the reel of China.
Chinese reel.
Yeah,
Chinese
China.
reel.
Actually, in which the
We
person
shouldn't, first of all, we shouldn't believe on Chinese product and Chinese reel. Those are all fake.
and just my question
Duplicate
regarding to
reel.
pollution.
Why do you
Because
watch
in the-
duplicate reel?
in China there is also pollution like Delhi, but they cover it just in the less time. And what do you think about it? Why India is just back? Why India is just go back from
Actually,
China?
I would like to add up.
Yeah.
In China, this capital of China.
But one more thing, the China got freedom in 1949, or India
No,
got
no.
freedom in
1947.
1947. So what do you think? But still, India is not just as much
Yesterday
developed
we
than
talked-
just China.
Yesterday you didn't join. Yesterday we talked about.
Yeah, yesterday we talked
And
about it.
regarding pollution, I would like to add up one point.
Yeah.
Like in China, it's compulsion for everyone in city to use bicycle, not car, even not just private vehicle. They use only public transport,
Yeah.
either bicycle. They love to. Do you know if you visit in GTV Nagar, you will see bicycle. If you scan, then you can ride up to 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers. How much do you pay? It's up to your payment. So, do you know those all company are Chinese company. First of all, they just invented in China, and now it's going well in China. And now they came in India, and now they are running well.
So what do you think? India what?
YOLO, like you have to deposit. You have to deposit 500. If you go to CP, 500, and the charge will be 200 for 1 hour.
Even I also
and
use
by the app-
really a nice thing. Really a nice.
No, it's not that nice. Like it goes to the
Yeah.
Chinese because the app is Chinese, and directly through the app it goes to the Chinese. It raises the Chinese economy. So, what do you think in India? Why Indian people not make their own vehicles so that India can raise their economy? Why we? Why we? क्या बोलते हैं? हम उसको-
Add, we add.
Yeah. Why do we add money to someone foreign country?
Yeah. Actually, it's embarrassed for us. Like we are just working to grow the Chinese economy. But even here, how much embarrassed for us? Actually, we are unable to even manufacture bicycle.
Yeah, even like this mobile, this stand, all this is Chinese.
Yeah, even his cap.
Yeah, in Chinese.
Alright, it's a made in India. You can check it.
Is the written? Is
It's
the
a
written?
yeah, it's the written. I just asked.
Chinese also read made in India.
Chinese also. Everything you will find Chinese.
Actually, in 199 product, as for your point,
But
there
do
is
you,
no Chinese.
what do you wanna add up? Like whenever we heard Chinese word, so we feel we just started like mounting and imagination we get like Chinese duplicate. So upcoming time Chinese product. I mean China government will have to face duplicate, and no one will trust on Chinese product.
No, bro. I mean,
Yeah.
Chinese product are so cheap that people, even
Yeah.
though it's duplicate, people wants to use it. Even if India make any product, the price will be very high. But if Chinese will, make, the price will be very less.
Do you know?
Quality
in,
was also less.
in 2021 when China and just like Indian soldier just fight so then Indian just started like just against the Chinese product, but after couple of time China didn't supply the just smart TV and electronic product. Indian product increased 50% price. 10,000 TV price was 50,000.
Oh my
then
God.
Indian realized no, we have to just purchase Chinese product. Either it will not just friendly for a pocket.
Bro, India can only purchase the Chinese product because we can't afford the US product, like US model t-shirt. And because
Yes.
even the t-shirt is 2,500 rupees.
US, Japanese,
Japanese.
France, we can't use
We
them.
can't afford, bro.
That's why there is less market in India of America. These all.
Only rich people can afford. Like Bhaiya wears the giant jeans. Do you know the price of giant jeans? 10,000, 9,000 rupees. One jeans.
But still, he said, I don't have money.
And the spectacle he talk 3,300.
Really, yeah, really, it's just means how.
What other video?
Tell me one thing. A beggar who can't say that I don't have money. These all.
Okay, so now just I want to add up. Like our Prime Minister always said to just all Indians, we are gonna be like world guru. Just Bharat will be world guru in the world. And Bharat will lead the world. Do you think by this situation
I don't
we
think,
will
bro.
lead the world?
Actually, PM is leading the country and PM is getting famous. But what about us, bro?
I think
Even they don't focus on the education. And there is one spiritual guru, not spiritual guru, Anuradha Acharya Anuruddha. What is his name?
Anuradha Acharya.
Anuruddha, whatever. He said, once if I become the Prime Minister of India, then I will work on free education, good infrastructure, and all this is solved. I was like, bro, if he become the Prime Minister, I think he spread only spirituality.
I mean, current Prime Minister now should focus. Yeah? Even the Prime Minister,
Free
even
education.
government data and Finance Minister always mention we are just the richest economy at we are fifth rank in the world richest economy. But do you think our poverty, even we are hunger rank? I mean, in India, just 2 and 3 crore people die due to lack of food.
Even the ISKCON providing the food, even the many NGOs providing the. But what about the government? Government even don't provide
They
the
only
midday meal.
take- they only take
Midday meal, they provide only this much.
Even up to 8th class.
Yeah, up to 8 class.
Then
India is not in just a number of 10, just in the most powerful country.
even we are
What
not
do you think?
feeling good like to just insult our country, but then we are compelled to just raise voice against the reality of
So what do you think?
The quality of air is so poor, bro.
Suppose if you are just being a PM of the India, so what do you think? Which types of changes would you like to do?
actually. If I became PM, first of all, I like to just work on education. If you educate the people can create the job.
What do you think? The last
Bro, is it-
of your as whenever you said India's education is the one of the best. So why we should need to just implement something if the one of the best education?
No, actually, it's only makes it education. Kamchal education makes it.
Yeah.
We are only being graduated and having completed your graduation, master graduation, PhD. You can't find job.
You
I
know,
know
that
concept-
if we compare to
Yeah.
India, China education and India, so China education it's just more practical and these whole things.
Uh-huh.
They whatever they study, if
Actually,
there is a
it's
need of
only
in their life.
humor, just Chinese
Bro,
education.
I have a question. Can government do the free education in India?
Even education is free in India up to 12th
No,
class.
totally free. Like there shouldn't be any private ministry.
Okay, private.
I mean, can the government do this thing?
Yeah, why not? But
Don't you think it invest much? It need much investment.
how much it will take? Even just one if you earn just 1 lakh monthly, then government will take 1 lakh out of your 12 months. But actually everyone is paying tax. But government they save money in Swiss bank.
Swiss bank.
Swiss bank for
Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Oh my
For
god.
their upcoming generation. Actually, there is one privacy Switzerland in there is Swiss bank. That bank never reveal that a leader has account in my bank and how
So
much.
PM Modi has account.
Every leader has.
Every leader, even Lalu.
Lalu Prasad have 5 accounts.
Oh my god. How do you know? Don't you know?
Actually, I read in newspaper.
Switch account. And I think they use this money, Switzerland, and
To
invest
develop
in their own country. Oh my god. All the politicians are the fool, bro.
No, they are making us full. They are not full.
And Switzerland making them fool.
No, they are not. Switzerland is not making just them full. Actually, Switzerland is using that money to develop its country, to invest and just on infrastructure.
To provide the loan to the other bank.
If you visit in village, even if you see this condition of your school, your heart will just out for the students.
There is
Even
no toilet.
no toilet. Even 50%
There is no
girls,
teacher.
not a teacher, but they don't know how to teach. They only just like this and
Masala powder.
and yeah.
Actually,
Masala powder.
how can we make them understand? But still, our government says just in India there is no any lack of just school. We make middle school, but if we just survey the India, so there is most of the places where there is no any just a school and regarding education. Even they don't use of cell phone. Still, government says yeah we are doing our work.
So
Is
why?
only government is responsible for not people are educated in Bihar because
Yeah, government.
intentionally also I mean many students they don't want to go to school.
No. Actually, government is responsible for it.
Hmm.
Actually, why? In why Bangalore is Silicon City of India? Why not Patna? Why not
Yeah.
Muzaffarpur? Why not Samastipur?
I think
You
they
don't
focus
think
on
so?
education.
They focus
Education.
on education to develop infrastructure.
Actually, teacher also
But
teach them
one question
just
I would like
about-
to toss out among of you, like why Bihari's teacher even they don't consider the student. Just which things are responsible for their condition?
Actually, first of all, they beat a teacher on behalf of
They
money.
beat.
Beat the teacher on behalf of money. That's why they don't have good knowledge and about this whole thing. If they are just a really fully education, so they teach us the good thing. That the Bihari people and these old people they don't need to come in Delhi to study. Really, that's
Yeah.
I want to supplement like all the Bihari teachers mostly they are very good at maths. And they are meant for the mathematics. But in if it comes to teach the English and other, then it's beyond them. So I would highly
It's
suggest.
dark area for
Yeah,
them.
I would highly suggest that most of the Bihari teachers should only focus on being a teacher of maths,
Yeah,
even in urban area,
Actually,
even in
intentionally,
city.
we don't want to insult the Bihari teacher.
Yeah.
But government Bihar,
But math is not easy, bro. English anyone can learn English, but maths is very difficult subject, and we should feel proud that all the Bihari are very good in maths by birth. Even uneducated people in Bihar, they can calculate the 1 gram price of 1 gram.
yeah.
but actually, government teacher condition.